Until lawyer Hon Abronye Dc clash with Kevin Ekobedi Taylor. Efa what allegations be a what be key against minority leader in parliament. Lawyer and I say Honorable Hon Afenyo Markin. Mema onchiri mu no achele wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah broke media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video no da my subscribe button. Sma back click bell notification con for latest updates. Abachele wadwen da mame. Ewo comment section. Mess was obaso. No share for so anya be ahwe. Ya can the word inconsistency for Kevin Ekobedi Taylor. Because Kevin Taylor has been a personal. There be no yen cancer mu hwani mu ni ade ade be twantre Ghana for ni de pa. Because on one kasa once a while we say Joy News. They are not trusted, media house. We're looking for information. Omunya trusted. Whatever thing they put jandam no credit. Can't say we.
Joy News is fake news. Don't underestimate Joy News. Fake news. They take money, they do politicians. That is how they run Joy News.
Later, Anna Joy News for making publication, and then it goes in favor of NDC. Hello dear. Now Ojai Kevin Taylor ehunyansa. Joy News post in favor NDC government there. While court time every honomo ready. The refuse of the said, Joy News, they are not trusted, they are not worthy.
A few moments later.
I say with an American about Bank of Ghana, the work they have done. Banks wrote off 1.5 billion in bad debt in first 8 months of 2025, a 46% decline over same period in 2024. Meaning the progress you have made as a nation. The progress the Bank of Ghana has made under Isiama and his deputies, you can see clearly say this government is headed towards the right direction. And see, these are not things that you have to play with. People are really leading institutions and making difference and changing the narrative. In 2024, the same time in 2024, we had made losses of about 1.38 billion and now 1.68 billion. In less than a year, it has dropped to 1.5 billion. You can see, measures are being put in place. Things are going down positively.
Humans are trapped by their own words. Now, I know something like Kevin Ekobedi Taylor. I don't know what to say. Anti-MPP. What tie MPP party from his heart. And yeah, MPP from Penyah MPP party egu eni Ghana hakora mo so e wa Ghana ha no bi. E ma Abronye Penyah na opeso de o create impression bi she Ghana for tiri na say end for tiri mu say MPP for na wicked people omu eya nipa bonefo eti nikura say omu no mu edo mu ebo wo mu omu no mu esere say oba tiri say MPP for nipa bia omu ya ready for ankasa. Nansi amu e no ba na live no live no be tire mu say who say as ato forcing any Afenyo Markin as almost seriously na saying kakra class omu your friends near the DB like I'm tell the warning Emma ato force dey be ato be akaka na hotro na Afenyo Markin so need dia akura obe poison wakum.
So Ato, I'm telling you, your friend is Afenyo Markin. You think he's your friend? Afenyo Markin will poison you and kill you. It was the same Afenyo Markin who was the leader of the MPP that wanted to jail you for life. So don't foolishly sit there as a fronty man and let Afenyo Markin deceive you. You can give him all the contract you want, but if you make a mistake, Afenyo Markin will lead these piglets to jail you. If power changes today, Afenyo Markin will stay behind and tell them to jail you. Into where Jimmy Kurano, something to tell you, she should tell you, say, you have been in that position before. Me, I don't care about anybody in your position. Oh. Me president to be a D, me appointment, me come I just have a contract. And I have the right to tell anybody what I want to tell you. And I'm a canon.
And I say, lawyer Hon Abronye, ya Abronye be chairman. Ono Kevin tell e wo beef, e man na say kwa no obeso sim kakra.
Because what can somebody more maduma for certificate ko. And no ye can. Momo binu mamodi NDC atini including Kevin Taylor no. Montimi mfa mo ho antoto ye ho because e ba critical na ye katro say for certificate bra ye benya de akọ but mo say Kevin Taylor say e ba critical and nay president mama Fred Kevin Taylor say on fa the certificate CV e media appointment Kevin Taylor ko 535 Dabio mo me say questions say nay President Mahama say or Minister of Information or Sunday Minister of Information naba na opese or the Kevin Taylor na ye Minister of Information and to uncle fan CV mra uncle fa academic record for our and fa match any and fa minister na mana Kevin Taylor ko fa free fine ni CV your why insult ni CV your one say obedidi him for atem ni CV your one so nya tenasia or ne asantefo problem. And some are okay, nano Ghana former Bunum Pian Quatuaba, Nam Pipia, yes, or one who are creative bibi, not the above where you say, where you say, by 5 months, Yabati MPP for Ninagumno, and ne a few way air banner ye. Yaneti, Mamma Meti. Yanya Flabron, say Panamotia. Nay ekigim ekikiomo nay ekigim ekikiomo ayamanu ya na de mebekọ enti ebe ha dwene say mantam obi amanyoku obi ebe yi obi atenase se wode wo program na wo ye no ya fa ho ka na mom tribe we de tam bia obenya akwanya bia no wo no mom fansie ni kasati omo because ye no mo nya adwene e wo party omo wo nti kansem ye ya kire omo didi o matem nto kan sika dwa kofi wie ye no because MPP ye fa ne say babia na adwene akodi a ode kika sa ansem ne say this MPP di sika dwa baba pa na chew anse na ode ne boni ye ode ye boni ache no oni nam ho because yenye ready say ye kwa asante manta MPP amanyoku na yakwa akoka say ye pe power na power na ye pe no ade bi te say Kevin Taylor ene betima ba be kan homa ya wini na saa ade bi te say Kevin Taylor ne say ode ye bone be che de ohia sikadwa kofi ne ye kwa asante manta ye ba ya momfa sikadwa kofi emen nkopa achew na sansem na all can be no enyina no e wo ho tsusanso se politics ya ye no the 1992 constitution no can pefe obia e wo every right regime bia wo every right emunipa ebetima decide say ye de amanyoko we ene yesum ebra ye started 1957 ebano so hwe abato party in some regions here e kira say region bitimi decide say ya ba we na ye kwoto no ye beto no in block e de ama ebia CPP yes na wo ho enti sa brantie na NDC afa no so ya kokro so ya bra because ya small boy osa onyini nuruba bia na tam obehu nyini no eno no abehu se de wi asisi ye dey esitie no no nya daje because of say enkrofo nwoma ye o mahwia no Kevin Taylor nsua binti no on follow on mine voting pattern ewo Ghana on follow ye na so follow the 57 eba 54 election
81 allegation we na you know Kevin Taylor edeba against Afenyo Markin no eno ana kwamba Abronye reply Kevin Taylor na we any small catch them
anti Kevin Taylor o say o to corruption ase a abaya na o de ne ba o girlfriend na mpanyimfo bi wa ban mu a omo ne so twempena no a o ma ne di fake CV baye no eye kro no na obeboye obedada o man no kasa o mum prosecute no
continue
kasa o mum prosecute no na emra na eba no umpo ye betena Ghana ha wo betena soja emra ne bechew andisi penso de anchew na why say wo Ghana ye bedi wasem in absentia na betena soja wu upa market because amra we de ayemra eba ma say ye bedi wasem wa abrochiro na betena soja na wu momo ne dating so say ebesi e wo Ghana ha because MPP ma emeyi mra ne mfiri ho ebone bayi dia emwa o man ne say untimi record private conversation so omo de ne sa tra wa ba e ho kakra bi ana MPP ba ye be ye amendment ne ya kiremu say private conversation a border on criminality there obi record on kwafiase ne ya ye ho na amendment no eno ye nyansa MPP ye de batamra na mom ne aka so obi bo wa ye nkyene ne de a mo na mo de sa amra na ba ye be mana wo ho jaba mana wo ho just enora Ghana police moti ho because oyandisi ninti yanene wo akuo ba akunti yankanasem. Another poison statement. Kevin Taylor diaba say Afenyo Markin enya atofoazia obe poison no. Onya atofoazia obe poison no. Na atofoazia hwe ya obe ba no so. Producer about video no. MPP ni bi na kasa asemu ya ka Ghana Police Service are tracking and kwakwache no ka President Mahama kasa omo kwankwache no because you see obi be poison the finance minister President Mahama na be kasa yankwache ni pakro and so Kevin Taylor say atoforce ayi Afenyo Markin atoforce obe poison no President Mahama say mayenche no.
You people, your credibility is on the line. Pretend as if what you have seen. We are going to send the videos to you. Pretend as if what is going on, you've not heard it. Near to you, the CID boss. Afenyo Markin. So I'm telling you, your friend is Afenyo Markin. You think he's your friend. Afenyo Markin will poison you and kill you. It was the same Afenyo Markin who was the leader of the MPP that wanted to jail you for life. So don't foolishly sit there as a fancy man and let Afenyo Markin deceive you. You can give him all the contract you want. But if you make a mistake, Afenyo Markin will lead these piglets to jail you. So I'm telling you, your friend is Afenyo Markin. You think he's your friend. Afenyo Markin will poison you and kill you. It was the same Afenyo Markin who was the leader of the MPP that wanted to jail you for life. So don't foolishly sit there as a fancy man and let Afenyo Markin deceive you. So I'm telling you, your friend is Afenyo Markin. You think he's your friend. Afenyo Markin will poison you and kill you. It was the same Afenyo Markin who was the leader of the MPP that wanted to.
And then that honor, Bisa, the Christian Council, the Catholic Bishop, the Ghana Police Service, the National Security, National Investigation Bureau, Bisa say, MPP ni and the cancer somewhere and can record the fine. The National House of Chiefs, San MPP ni and the cancer somewhere ka President Mahama. Ebe much specific instructions say, young to Shababia ni pakrowo. Ni yanko kwache no because a MPP ni nye Ghana ni. And then yama President Mahama ye na kire say we MPP ni a wonye Ghana ni. Because security enya adwuma enti meme nkosia obi say obi pesa oba be invest o Ghana na maka kire so on be invest maka kire say security o Ghana ha no enya security on betima protect o. Maka kire na I've been telling them. Mimi company I've been telling them on person by you say the current government need the current security no mobile won't safe. Now me give videos, me the videos a see 2024 schools almost see yeah adan almost see yeah national health insurance almost see yeah haba almost storm yeah now me the videos you know actually bro for no say and near my air cost no aban we pencil. It tell you say when you safe because we are not asem to a ban by ignore we see castle the buy and video evidence into trust man this year after 2024 election January but video evidence here the chere
I'ma be the baddest at you I'ma be the baddest at you now.
A bin obi abaka this week in kwa nipa mienu and I can poison asem. You see a mabi to TikTok at the President Mahama atem. Police for kwatana Kumasi 3 days. Actually omo do mbakra ebe detain omo 2 weeks. But you can say poison the obi poison obi a yanka ho asem. Na we no te wa no kan and se ke prosecute ese echi na Kevin Taylor e kan corruption asem he MPP producer me the number bi am afa to screen so na fa Kevin Taylor kan ho fa sa number ne Kevin Taylor to so no bia hu me kire ne say wo a wo sara wo kan corruption asem no and this if one pay for cry ye shock say wutimi kwaji 70,000 Ghana cedi free MPP ayi presidential candidate bi wasa obeye adwuma ama no ama woni ne siesie muntam asem ama o ma 70,000 me the number na one wo Kevin Taylor mu dili wa America ho a o di 70,000 ne bra wo no me the number na ba betodwa ene na me kire o say Kevin Taylor me hu pa me the number no producer fatu so number Kevin Taylor ni nipa ne kasa oni MPP presidential candidate because siesi omuntam asem ye nyina nim se mre bi aba na omuntam ngo na oni presidential candidate na siesi omasem enti andisi fo kora ye omunwanwa se Kevin Taylor ono sare a oka corruption asem no sa nipa na timama Kevin Taylor $70,000 say presidential primaries no onyusu ne platform no emfanka bi ma no no mfa nidi ba mi atem na delegates amokwa akoto aban sa candidate no wa ma obi $10,000 wa ma obi $5,000 wa ma obi $1,000 200 Ghana and all the mamo and so wa ma Kevin Taylor $70,000 say on trani TV ni so na on kabi mano na on fa ni di ba omi atem producer number na iche o pa number na to so me ma Kevin Taylor wa hu say enipa presidential candidate no edisi ni so no oye presidential candidate oba America ho na driver number ni nie Kevin Taylor a number way ana woni ni di nkomo number way na woni ni di nkomo Kevin Taylor tie na tie ni ye na nipa no so a woni ni di nkomo ye friend fifi o America ho ono na woni ni di nkomo a woni sa presidential candidate ni siesie mu ntam asem ana presidential candidate na send 70,000 Ghana cedis say unless you know emuaye dinite say no transfer can be mano enti unya uji 70,000 so no ba bia wo Kevin Taylor ukodi nkomo no andi si panyini na ukodi nkomo say presidential candidate na ma 70,000 say ya adwuma man na waje wo be ya adwuma man no andi si panyini nso di information no abagana ma information aba be duru me ho enti wo no me ka tro say no andi si mu kura omumu enti sawa huna na wudi huna chief executive ni CEO fo na ya meba so na ya meyese no omahu because me de mete ya omu di dito information no aba enti corruption yanchi na nado danko Akufo-Addo ye corrupt we ye say na wona atene yanchi ministers and Akufo-Addo omunye say bia no owura me say number way ana wona ne chart ye wana wona ne diri ya or the $70,000 brewo say MPP presidential primaries no and romance ya wo moa and or the abrewo now polling station executives constituency executives electoral area coordinators no obi sa nipa na omamu $1,000 omamu $500 omamu $200 omamu $100 yo watimanya Kevin Taylor ono I see obegu MPP Kevin Taylor o si ompe MPP Kevin Taylor odi MPP atem 8 years no adwuma ye de masa nipa no ye no wa mra $70,000 so ya MPP ni o what the $70,000 na koma Kevin Taylor ama Kevin Taylor na ne munyina amobahwa o ye adwuma e de ama no na number way e na chate Kevin Taylor e de $70,000 no e kokoma no ono soro so e clean Osoro ye oso ye clean. O say I see me eduru ba bia oni CID boss ntokwa ni omo ntokwa and this for me no omo nkwanya masem. But ye catch no plane. Una ma wo hye kotu kura no wa sugar. Oba Ghana ye hu ebinie una ma wo kotu ya wo hye gina ho wa sugar na wo gina ho. Una ma ye say me na ma me straightforward person. Ba wo no una ma wa sugar. Ana corruption na eku nkrofo a wo huna mo disika sende wo Ghana ha nyina wo mo ye apprenticefoɔ no nyina no this time ye be frase so mo the information number this time ye be frase ne yakase Kevin Taylor we send you ska evidence ni number ni we ye say sana ye no be kɔ no ye nkɔ na aboa ne kwasea wo de no na wo no eno no mo de tete wo eno ntire se for certificate bra wo ntimi fa mekere no nti wo ntimi so fa mekere da Utimi fa mekere yesi for certificate be kire na no aye ntokwa na wo ne nkrofo ayaka ye nu ni sa adade no na mom sa na ye be kono evidence base enra ya o ma wo ntokwa so andisi fo mienu nka mon ko kan fa me ho na mom wo say see the boss no sora ono na e ka brofo ona ne Brian brofo de police fo a omo wo kroma ba ko ote brofo pa no kore CID maame no te brofo pa ne papa de ne ko school ne maame de ne ko school na so maame de ko he Kevin Taylor CID maame de no kore se de wa hu no brofo te ko school Ghana ha ya te brofo ne maame no papa sam fifire na so ye de ko he o papa de ko he o papa de ko yes maame no ye lawyer ni ai wa ko school ni bi wo so papa o papa de ko he enunti na mere bi obi kan ye no hena papa so de ukoy Kevin Taylor hena papa so de ukoy ya school ben na papa so de ukoy abrofo no nka bi a wuntimi fa certificate in mekere because abanye ba yesi for CV bra CV no wuntimi fa ma because nim so the CV ni ba asembe ba ho wuntimi fa ma yini free so producer na ye ne mo ba be ko deputy ambassadors ya president Mahama yi o mo na anu yi oh next week ye ne ba ko be wie because ba ko certificate ni CV na de ko ye nyina no A to Z ni nyina ye fake the next week ye ne be wie o Ghana ha ana country na all kono so no me na matwere letter e de akọ ho me ana matwero e ho na me ko pa Ghana ho ntoma e de Ghana sinsen wiem because mutimi tena ha e passe e prane se mo be passe mrafon a ye nya Ghana tokrom ba bia de mo be sinsen soro agumani wase anti deputy ambassadors na no president Mahama yi wo mo no ba ko anche na nimu ba be guase wiase nyina ya be pa no ho ntoma be pa no nyina be ye ne fine e de aguo ne nyina yetim because tim passe mra se ye nchichi opposition fo ngum because o be kam asem dia ye nso nyawo a ye nkase Ghana ntio ye be sem anti map eduru wa e ma panyini bia ntena krom ha e ma sofo bia ntena krom ha e ma nana bia ntena krom ha kan kire sei obi funkuma ye mfum nwa ye bedwa adi makwa gum di jena afra adi asiso achicha ma manfo ayeden awi because babi aduru sa na ese say yeden ye kono adi monti asiesa enayi musara Maya mo say eye MPP dia ye bekwa akoche oh some dem a camera ndie mo de ba MPP fo ndie on ba chibi ba me de da bia no me ba betena
Chere wa dwen ma me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.